I bought into a partnership, and after a year and a half, it fizzled. She had maxed out the store's credit card and definitely left me with a mess. To struggle with the debt, it was overwhelming when we were, constantly worried about, how are we going to buy inventory? How are we going to pay, this bill and that bill? And it just it's embarrassing, really, to feel like you have all this debt and you don't know how you're going to dig your way out. And you're constantly worried, well, how much longer am I going to be able to stay open? When I first saw Jamie online, just her spirit of compassion, and you could tell she had a genuine sense of wanting to serve people. Jamie just shared information in a way that was like common language. It wasn't the, you think about the financial gurus, the accountants, big accountants, and they use all these big words that are not easy to understand if you're not well informed or well versed in those terms. And she just spoke to us through the computer as if she were a friend right across the table at a coffee shop. She gives you these Excel spreadsheets that are all set up, and she has them color coded so that you know exactly where to enter. She has instructions. You just plug in your numbers and then it does magic. What surprised me the most was how quickly I was able to implement everything and see results. It became fun at the end of the month to do the numbers. The first month I rolled money over. I was like, wow, I have money in my profit account. After taking the class, I definitely felt more confident. We've paid down the credit card by half. And so that gives us a lot more buying power, and we have money in the bank that we didn't have before. Hands down, don't even think about it, just do it. Just do it, because it'll be worth every penny that you pay for it, and it will pay for itself. And the proof in that is we just moved my boutique to a better location. I know that this move is in thanks to Jamie's class.